We got Dustin Hoffman here with Rainman Roofing and Repair. How you doing, man?
Good, how are you?
Doing all right. Super successful guy. How long you been in business and how'd you get here?
We've been in business going on 9 years now. Started out as a real small business and then we got this location on 309. Yeah, I've been doing this since about 14 years old.
Wow.
It's a family, kind of a family trade. Once I became of age, I went and got a job in Columbus and started my roofing career out there, picking up trash off the ground, mind you. And then now we're here.
That's impressive, man.
Thank
Be proud
you.
of yourself. I know it's hard to give yourself that pat in the back, but really.
Yeah, thank you.
Awesome. So you more residential, commercial, mix of both? What's your market?
I would say it's about 50-50. We do both commercial and we do residential.
Because you do not only roofing, you do other trades as well, right?
Yes, we do. So we pretty much do all your exteriors from your soffit, your fascia, gutters, vinyl siding, possibly board and batten, now that we're blessed with your new machine. And then obviously roofing. And what we really like to stick to is the metal roofing. We want to veer away from the exposed fastener. And that's what, made us make the initial call to give you a call to get a machine to pump our own panels out.
What made you make this decision from the first time that I talked to you all the way now to you putting your eyes on this machine?
Well, number one, it was you're persistent. Mind you, you are a good salesman. That means a lot. Another thing that made me go this route is how many times we order metal panels from a supplier and then you end up being short 1 or 2 panels. That delays a job, or you go back because you got an exposed fastener roof and someone used an impact and it didn't get tight enough, So now with this, I can control that. Yep. I can control my waste and I can control my workmanship as well. And that's what we strive every day for, is quality workmanship. And I think we can make that happen with your machine.
Just to give you guys a backstory, I've been calling on Dustin for over a year, so it's awesome to be here with him today and see his organization. But just wanted to congratulate him on being the #1 in my territory, the Midwest, the first on-roll in the Midwest. That's awesome, man.
Thank you very much.